Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You asked how to remove a Gmail recovery email without a password. I can't help with bypassing security. Instead, start by gathering proof of ownership, device timestamps, recovery phone, creation date, because Google asks for specific details during recovery. Once done, use Google account recovery from a familiar device and network. Make sure to provide accurate answers. If that fails, prepare ID and contact Google support through their official channels. I explain why and what you should continue by using the official account recovery flow. Open the form and answer every prompt honestly. Once you start, provide old passwords you remember, the month and year you created the account, and devices you've used. Google uses those signals to verify you. If prompted, choose to get codes on a recovery phone or email you still control. Make sure to try from a device and network you've used previously. That increases the chance of successful verification. If automated recovery does not work, escalate to Google support and be ready to prove ownership. Upload a government ID if requested, and include details like last sign-in dates or billing receipts for paid services. Once you regain access legitimately, remove or update recovery options from security ways we can verify it's you. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to avoid third-party bypass tools. Those are unsafe, often illegal, and will make recovery harder rather than easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.